Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Here I'm back with a new video of English grammar. The topic is adjective. Here we'll discuss about the definition of adjective with the help of example, different types of adjective with the help of example, as well as we'll solve some of the exercise which will make you more easier to identify the different kind of adjective in a sentence. So here we go. Adjective. First of all, we'll discuss about the definition of it with the help of example. So adjectives are describing word. They tell us what kind of, how many, how much, what color, etc. person, place, animals and things are. Number 1. Anu likes spicy food. In this sentence, spicy tell us about the kind of foods. Number 2. I gave her a red rose. In this sentence, red tell us about the color of the rose. Number 3. Alok won 3 prizes. In this sentence, it tells about how many prizes did he won. So now we'll go for the types of adjective. The first type is adjective of quality. Look at this sentence. Number 1. Suman is wearing a new dress. In this sentence, new is the adjective of quality. Number 2. Grandmother told us a funny story. In this sentence, funny. Number 3. Ritu's hair is curly. In this sentence, curly is the adjective of quality. It tells about how Ritu's hair is actually. So, hope it's a bit easier for you all to identify it. So, we'll go for its definition. An adjective which tells us of what kind of person or thing is called an adjective of quality. An adjective quality answers the question what kind of. So here we go for some of the example which will make you more easier to identify the adjective of quality in a sentence. So the number 1 is I met an old man with grey hair. In this sentence, grey tells us about the adjective of quality. Number 2. Shivaji was a brave and fearless ruler. In this sentence, brave and fearless are the adjective of quality. Number 3. Big tears roll down her beautiful cheeks. In this sentence, beautiful tells us adjective of quality. Number 4. Only noble people can form great nation. In this sentence, great tells us the adjective of quality. Now we'll go for the second one is adjective of quantity. First of all, look at this sentence. Number 1. Ashu gave the poor man some food. Some is the quantity. Okay. Number 2. I have much work to do. How much work? Much work. Okay. So much tells us about the quantity. Number 3. Ajay has enough money to buy a pen. In this sentence, enough tells us the adjective of quantity. So in this sentence, the word much, some, enough are adjectives. Okay. So we'll go for the definition of it. An adjective which tells us how much of thing is meant is called an adjective of quantity. An adjective quantity answers the question how much. Next, adjective of number. Look at this sentence. Number 1. The spider has 8 legs. 8 is the adjective of number. Number 2. Renu has many toys. Many is the adjective of number. Number 3. Vivek gave me all his book. All is the adjective of number. So we'll come for the definition of adjective of number. An adjective which tells us how many person or things are meant is called an adjective of number. Demonstrative adjective. Look at this sentence. Number 1. This pen writes well. This is demonstrative adjective. Number 2. That tree is very big. That is demonstrative adjective. Number 3. These boys are intelligent. This is demonstrative adjective. 4. Those men are lazy. Those is demonstrative adjective. Number 5. Such people do not fail in life. Such in the sentence is demonstrative adjective. So in this sentence the word this, that, this, those, such are adjectives. So the word demonstrative suggests a pointing one. Therefore this, that, this, those and such are called demonstrative adjective. For a proper definition we'll go for it. An adjective which is used to point out some person or thing is called a demonstrative adjective. A demonstrative adjective answers the question which one is. Okay. So now we'll come for some of the exercise. We'll identify the demonstrative adjective in a sentence. I have solved the 2 and the remaining 2 you all have to solve it and send me on comment box. So the number 1 is this box is heavy. In this sentence this is demonstrative adjective. Number 2. This trousers are new. In this sentence this is demonstrative adjective. So the remaining 1, 3 and 4 you all have to say it on comment box if you can solve it. Okay. Integrative adjective. Look at this sentence. Number 1. What bird is this? What is integrative adjective? Number 2. Whose purse is that? Whose is integrative adjective. Number 3. Which book is your? Which is integrative adjective. So in this sentence the word what, whose, which have been used as adjective. I will go for the definition of integrative adjective. An adjective which when used with a noun asks a question is called an integrative adjective. Now, possessive adjective. Look at this sentence. Number 1. This is my bag. My is possessive adjective. Number 2. This is your bat. Your is possessive adjective. Number 3. Her umbrella is black. Her is possessive adjective. So in this sentence, my, your, her have been used as adjective. We go for the definition of it. An adjective that shows possessions or belonging is called a possessive adjective. We go the number 1. Adjective of quality tells what kind of color, size, shape, special quality, etc. Example is old man, charming eyes, shady tree. In this, old, charming, shady are adjective of quality. Number 2. Adjective of quantity. Tell how much. Example, some water, much hope, enough money. Some, much, enough are adjective of quantity. Number 3. Adjective of number tells how many. 4 girls, mini toy, all the books. In this example, 4, many, all are the adjective of number. Number 4. Demonstrative adjectives used to point out persons or things. Example, this book, that bird, such children. This, that, such are demonstrative adjective. Number 5. Integrative adjective help to ask question. Which boy, what plan, whose bag. And this, which, what, whose are interrogative adjective. Number 6. Possessive adjective shows possession or belonging. Example, my chair, your school, her eye. In this, my, your, her are possessive adjective. Now we'll go for an exercise, okay? Pick out the interrogative and possessive adjective in the following sentence. Number 1. What time are you leaving for your school? What is interrogative adjective? Your is possessive adjective. Number 2. Whose book is Winnie holding in her hand? Whose is interrogative adjective? Her is possessive adjective. Number 3. Which boy needs my help? Which is interrogative adjective? My is possessive adjective. So the remaining 2, 4 and 5 is left for you. Just solve it and send me on comment box.